Good morning to all. Today I am discussing about the topic inverse Z transform by partial fraction method. Inverse Z transform by partial fraction method. First of all, the formula Z of 1 equal Z of A is equal to Z by Z minus A. Z of 1 equal to Z by Z minus 1. Z of n equal to Z by Z minus 1 the whole square. Z of cos n theta is Z and Z minus cos theta by Z square minus 2Z plus 2Z cos Z plus 1. Z of sin n theta is equal to Z sin theta by Z square minus 2Z cos theta plus 1. Inverse Z transform is the inverse Z transform of Z of small f of n equal to capital F of Z is defined as small f of n equal to Z inverse of capital F of Z. The inverse Z transform of some basic function Z inverse of Z by Z minus 1 is 1. Z inverse of Z by Z plus 1 is minus 1 power n. Z inverse of 1 by Z plus A is A power n minus 1. And another one is Z inverse of 1 by Z minus 1 the whole square is n minus 2 plus 1 the whole power n, that is equal to n minus 1. Then rules of partial fraction. First one, denominator containing linear factors f of z by z minus a into z minus b into z minus c is equal to a by z minus a plus b by z minus b plus c by z minus c, etc. Then dominating containing factors z minus a whole power n, that is f of z by z minus a whole power n equal to a by z minus a plus b by z minus a the whole square plus c by z minus a the whole cube plus etc. Then f of z by az square plus bz plus c is equal to az plus b by az square plus bz plus c. Okay. One problem, z inverse of, find z inverse of 1 by z plus 1 into z minus 1 the whole square using partial fraction method. First of all, the given value is f of z equal to z by z plus 1 into z minus 1. Now 1 by z plus 1 into z minus 1 is a by z plus 1 plus b by z minus 1 plus c by z minus 1 the whole square. Put z equal to 1, the value of c is equal to 1. Put z equal to minus 1, the value of c is equal to plus 1. Put z equal to 0, the value of b is equal to minus 1 by 4. Then substitute the value of in equation number 1. Then to find the value of f of z, f of n is minus 1 into minus 1 power n plus 1 into 1 power n plus 1 by 2. Then same model, another one problem, z inverse of 1 by 1 plus z is z power minus 1 the whole square 1 by z minus 1 the whole power n. Then putting the partial fraction method to find the value of a, b, c, then substitute, then find out the final answer. Final answer is f of z equal to 1 by 4 into 1 power n minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 power n plus 1 by 2 into n into minus 1 power n. Then another one important problem, find the z transform of z square plus z by z minus 1 into z square plus 1 using partial fraction method. The given first capital F of z equal to z square plus z by z minus 1 into z square plus 1. Put the value of a, b, c, then substitute, then find out the final answer. Okay.